Dr. Sean Price, clinical coordinator here at the Fix in Fort Walton Beach. And one of the things that I do, one of my daily habits that I like to share with patients and I like to share with anybody who is having an issue with trying to remember everything and trying to make sure that they're filling their days with their important activities is making a daily checklist. And I don't know how many of you know this about me, but I run my chiropractic office, my functional medicine office. My wife and I also run another business together. I have 4 children. We also work in real estate together. So we are very, very busy. Our days are chocked full. And there are daily things that have to happen, or I will end up always putting out fires. If I let things slide through the cracks, then I have to jump over and put this fire out, and that's going to make me come over and put these fires out. So I have things that I have to do each and every day, or at certain times during the week. And so what I've done for myself is a checklist. And what I do on this checklist is I have what has to be done and when it has to be done throughout the week. And as long as I'm operating on this checklist, then I can be at peace and know that I am doing the important things. So do that with yourself. Now your checklist may not look anything like this. You may only have 5 activities on here that you need to make sure get done throughout the week. Put those 5 activities on there. It lets you visualize it, it lets you see it, it lets you sign off on it, it lets you realize when you're getting something done, you're crossing through an item, and it feels good to do that, and it makes you feel organized, and it makes you feel calm. It helps you get away from the worry and the overwhelm that you're forgetting something. I use checklists with my employees in both of my businesses because I want them to know what the critical things are for their job. At the Fix, it's very important that they know what's the most important thing to make sure that our patients are well taken care of and that their health is being handled as best as possible. So we have checklists that we go through so that they know that they're getting the critical things done, and then I know I can go and check on them and make sure that they're getting the critical things done. It gives them peace of mind, it gives me peace of mind, it gives our patients great outcomes. So checklists are great. If you would like a copy of a template to make a checklist for yourself, shoot me an email. My email address, I'm going to write it down right here. My personal email address is drpricedc@aol.com. Shoot me an email or post a comment below with your email address and your name so that I can shoot it over to you, and I'll send you a blank template that you can use to customize for yourself and build a checklist for yourself to help you organize your days and your weeks and make sure that you get the important things done. All right, feel free to do that, and I hope this helps.